I'm here reporting live from Bremerton, Washington, where I like to spend all of my vacations. This is like ideal weather. I'm so tired of sun and desert in Los Angeles, and it's the last day of the year, the last day of the decade, and a lot of you guys have been asking for me to show you some of the beers that I've been doing the brew days of. So I thought I would start with one that I brought up straight from Los Angeles, and it's the Grapefruit IPA. It's the first video I ever did, so it makes sense that it would be the first review I ever do of my own beer. So I'm just gonna kind of do it. So the Pacific Northwest is known for the Squatch, so it's very appropriate that I'm opening my beer with my Squatch bottle opener, and that I'm getting pummeled with rain. So this is my Grapefruit IPA. This is the most summery beer that I make, and of course I'm going to drink it on New Year's Eve in the rain in the Pacific Northwest where there's no sun. So the color ends up being pretty I would say caramelly colored, honey, almost. Honey is a good descriptor actually. My bubbles, my head isn't great. I believe there is wheat in this, which should give you a better head, but I don't know, sometimes it doesn't work out. Aroma is, it's got a bit of a, like a little bit of alcohol heat aroma happening, but it's also like kind of like a grapefruit rind. So I don't know if I'm picking up grapefruit rind when I say heat, or if it's just, it's a little spicy, because I think this is, it gets up there in ABV, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I love this beer. It's like taking a bite of grapefruit with the rind in it still, or like eating some of that grapefruit pith. It tastes like summer to me, and I love it. It's slightly sweet, but has it's pretty carbonated and has a bit of an like a bite to it with the carbonation. Typically I do this on out of the tap. I just had one of these bottles that I thought I would bring up to share with some of my family. So I think I may have overcarbonated it going into the bottle, but it's still delightful. Yeah, it's a good grapefruit IPA. You know, I don't pick up a lot of hops except for on like the back end. It tastes like it's less about the aroma hops in this as it is about the bittering hops, because you get so much aroma from the grapefruit itself. So, you know, it's light and it's easy to drink. It'll knock you off your feet if you drink too much of it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing what they actually look like when they're done. I swear it's not all a ruse. Well, I hope everyone has a happy new year. I will see you in 2020. Cheers!